Welcome back to the Simple Dad tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove your account from the account list on your Instagram app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. This is really useful in situations where you have forgotten your phone and you borrowed your friend's phone to log on to your Instagram account. Now, the worrying part is that once your friend logs back into his or her account, they can easily log back into your account as it is in their account list within the Instagram app. In order to prevent this, you need to log out of your Instagram account from your friend's Instagram app. To do this, open up the Instagram app, tap on the profile tab at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on logout. Here you'll see all the accounts which are logged into the Instagram app on the phone. Select your account by ticking the circle on the right. Then tap on logout. Instagram will ask you one more time, so go ahead and tap on logout for all the prompts. This action will then log out of the Instagram account on that phone. Now, to re-log into that Instagram account, you'll need to add the account, which means you'll need to enter in the username and password. And that is how to remove your account from the account list on Instagram app. If this video helped you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.